President Aquino lauds the speed of consumer welfare desks in addressing complaints. The president says this shows the high priority consumer welfare desks give in upholding the rights of consumers. This report from Elena Luna.
President Aquino hailed the effectiveness of consumer welfare desk against abusive businessmen as he joined the opening ceremony of the Consumer Welfare Month.
May mahigit 3,000 consumer welfare desks po ngayon na nakaposte sa mga palengke, mall, grocery at supermarket. Ang talaga naman pong nakakabilib, sa kabuoang 81,962 na reklamong natanggap nila mula Enero 2011 hanggang Hunyo ng taong kasalukuyan, 741 o mahigit 75% ay naresolba sa loob lamang ng 7 araw. Ulitin ko lang po, 95% ng hinaing nabigyan ng solusyon nang hindi lumalampas ng 1 linggo. Iyan po ang tinatawag natin mabilis at epektibong pangangalaga sa kapakanan at interes ng mga consumer sa tuwid na daan.
The President assured consumer rights will continue to be upheld and protected under his administration. He cited programs being implemented by the government like price monitoring and Diskwento Caravan.
Magandang halimbawa po dito ay ang Diskwento Caravan na umiikot sa Kamaynilan at sa mga probinsya na nagbibigay ng hanggang 70% baksak presyo sa mga pangunahing pangangailangan gaya ng gulay, sardinas, processed meat at tinapay. Mantakin po ninyo, mula Enero hanggang Oktubre ng taong kasalukuyan, halos 65,000 mamimili na ang nakinabang sa diskwentong hatid nito, habang may halos 30 milyong piso ng naiambag ang Diskwento Caravan sa ating kabambayan. Panalo ang mamimili, panalo ang gobyerno, panalo ang sambayanang Pilipino.
The theme for this year's Consumer Welfare Month is Get Organized, Be Heard, Be Empowered. Attending the event are over 80 consumer groups nationwide. At the end of the assembly, a manifesto will be created citing the commitment of consumer organizations and the DTI in achieving the ideal state of consumer protection in the country. The annual observance of the Consumer Welfare Month is pursuant to Presidential Proclamation No. 1098 signed by former President Fidel V. Ramos. For the People's Television, Elena Luna.